Hello friends, my name is Radhamasud. Today we'll discuss about a topic preventive action. Friend, today's topic is very important with respect to project management point of view, and if you're a student and studying project management in university or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is a very important topic. At least uh, 5 to 10 questions will definitely be there in the exam in which your concepts related to preventive action will be checked and verified. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a professional project manager, so again this is necessary, compulsory for you to understand the concept of preventive action, how to use the concept of preventive action in your professional and practical life of project management. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Preventive action. First of all, friend, the topic preventive action. This is a topic which we have taken from the PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge. Uh, First of all, we have to understand that what is a project. Okay, then step by step we can move forward. Friend, as per the definition of PMBOK, project is a temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output, product, or service or result. That is called as project. So two things are very important. First thing is temporary, and second thing is unique. It is temporary, it is unique. So these are the two characteristics which should be exist in every project. For example, if you are implementing a mobile application for customer through which customers can do the fund transfer and IBFT, so this is a project. For example, you are building a house, this is a project. You are building a flyover for government, so this is a project. You are implementing e-commerce solution for a customer, so this is a project. You are introducing a new business process in any organization, so it is a project. So two characteristics are very important in every project. First thing is temporary, like it will end at some point, and it is unique, like we are doing it first time. So these two characteristics are very important for every project. So now if you can understand the concept of project, we can talk about preventive action. Friend, according to the PMBOK 6 edition, preventive action is an intentional activity that ensures the future performance of the project work is aligned with the project management plan. Friend, see, like if we talk about preventive action, that means we are taking some proactive action. Proactive means, for example, just take an example here. You are initiating a project of e-commerce solution and you are a project manager of that project, and at the time of initiation you recognize that you are implementing it in a new software technology. This is a requirement for customer that you have to implement the project by using the new technology. Okay, new software technology. Now you recognize that your existing team is not hands on that particular technology. They are not having such information and not skills required as per the required technology. So as a preventive action or as a proactive action, what you can do before the project starts, you can you can plan 5 days training for a project team, so that they can attend the training and they can get the required skills from for the project. So friend, this is the concept of preventive action, proactive action here. So what actually you have done, you taken the action proactively. So this is the preventive action. Preventive, just see the word here, preventive. Before anything happens, you take the action. Okay, so this is the proactive approach. Proactive means that you realize that as per the project requirement, you need this thing, so you take the action priorly. You take the action proactively. Here, you see that you know that your team needs some training. Your team needs some knowledge. So keeping in mind that team needs the knowledge, they you arrange a training for your team prior, proactively. So this is so this is called a concept of preventive action. Another example I can give you here, like for example, let's say that you are going to start a production process. You think that some defects may appear during the production, so you review your process and make necessary changes to prevent this. For example, friend, that you are making some production process, and as per your prior knowledge, for example, your friend who has already the similar type of production process, so he told you that there's some, maybe some defects may appear, or by using your own prior experience, you know that such type of defects may occur in the production process. So by using your past knowledge, by using your friends knowledge, you decide to remove those defects from the production before the production process in actual starts. So friend, this is called an example of preventive action. Okay, now let me give you another example here. For example, you are going to start a machine producing rod. Then you remember that in your previous company you faced an issue with the code for a similar process. This issue caused the rods to be of different lengths. In your current company you are using the same process with similar equipment. So by using your past information, past experiences, you definitely take the action in prior and take to avoid the problem or defect. So this is another example of machine of preventive action. So basically friend, the concept of preventive action is that before anything happens, before anything something goes wrong, you take the action in prior so that you can provide you can avoid the mistakes or defects. So this is called an example, this is an approach of preventive action or proactive action. Basically preventive means that you are taking proactive actions. Another example you can take, for example, suppose you are the project manager of building a production plant. Midway in the production plant building project, you have noticed that the time taken to build the building may be longer than expected. So you try to squeeze more time by asking the machinery to be installed before all the floors have been built. By doing so, you have ensured that the project to be finished within the original school schedule. So this is the preventive action. For example, friend, you are implementing projects and you know at some point that there may be some delay occur in the schedule, so you try to squeeze this plan so that you can achieve the project timelines. So this is another example of preventive action. Friend, in the daily life of project management there are so many examples we can notice or we can apply. However, the main objective, main approach of preventive action is that we have to take actions proactively in the project management so that if anything goes wrong, we have to take the action before in prior. So this is the approach, this is the concept of preventive action. It should be proactive. And remember friend, one thing, that as a project manager, your preventive action should be very good, because see, as a project manager we have to ensure that the successful delivery of project. So if you take the preventive action on time, obviously there are high chances that you can complete the project on time. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you, thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.